Welcome to Pakistan, a land of rich history, diverse cultures, and breathtaking landscapes. Join us on an unforgettable adventure as we explore the wonders of this beautiful country. Leaving the bustling city behind, our journey takes us into the heart of the Pakistani countryside. Our destination, the majestic mountains of the north. As we journey deeper into the mountains, we discover the rich cultural heritage of the region. From ancient fortresses to traditional villages, every corner of Pakistan tells a story of its own. Our adventure reaches its peak in the Hunza Valley, a place of unparalleled beauty and tranquility. Surrounded by towering mountains, we immerse ourselves in the local culture, learning about the traditions and way of life of the people here. As our journey comes to an end, we leave Pakistan with a newfound appreciation for its beauty, its people, and its rich cultural heritage. Join us next time as we embark on another adventure, exploring the wonders of our world.
Embark on a thrilling journey through the enchanting landscapes of Pakistan. Experience the rich culture and hospitality of the Pakistani people. Indulge in the flavors of authentic Pakistani cuisine and spices. Venture into the bustling markets filled with vibrant colors and traditional crafts. Explore the ancient ruins and majestic architecture that tell tales of Pakistan's history. Feel the adrenaline rush as you engage in thrilling outdoor adventures. Immerse yourself in the natural beauty of Pakistan's diverse landscapes. Witness the breathtaking sights of snow-capped mountains and lush valleys. Discover the hidden gems and undiscovered treasures of Pakistan. Let Pakistan captivate your heart and soul with its beauty and charm.
Welcome to a journey through the vibrant and diverse culture of Pakistan. From traditional music to colorful festivals, Pakistan's cultural tapestry is rich and captivating. Explore the intricate artistry of Pakistani handicrafts, each piece telling a story of heritage and craftsmanship. Taste the flavors of Pakistani cuisine, a fusion of spices and aromas that delight the senses. Witness the warmth and hospitality of the Pakistani people, known for their kindness and generosity. Immerse yourself in the ancient traditions and modern innovations that define Pakistan's cultural identity. Experience the beauty of Pakistani architecture, a blend of history and contemporary design. Join us as we celebrate the art, music, cuisine, and spirit of Pakistan, a land of endless wonders. Discover the hidden gems and cultural treasures that make Pakistan a truly unique and enchanting destination. Thank you for joining us on this cultural exploration of Pakistan. Stay tuned for more insights and discoveries.